Hey everyone, so in today's video what we're going to do is we're going to change the blades on this zero-turn mower deck. Now, this is a Craftsman Z560, so if this is specific to you, well, welcome, and I'll show you how to do it the right way. If you just have a different zero-turn, they're all pretty much the same way. So what we're going to do is we're going to jack this thing up and we're going to go ahead and take it off. Alright, so this is everything you're going to need. It's pretty easy. It's going to be these three blades, obviously, and then a ratchet and a breaker bar, both with 15/16. That's it. Okay, so I went ahead and jammed a block of wood right here on this side. Now this is the last one I'm going to take off. So what I'm doing is I'm going to start from the other side and work my way over. That way if I take this off, I don't have to readjust the wood. Just any block of wood will work. And then next I'm going to take my 15/16 breaker bar and go ahead and start taking these off. Come on, kidding me? Hopefully that'll work. Of course. There we go. Alright. Now I did that with the little one first, it's easier to make sure I'm going the right way, and then to lock that piece of wood in place. Alright, so I'm going to remove this wood. Stay. Alright, so here's the old blades versus the new blades. Now you can see here that these things are all beat up. Like they're dull. There's no sharp edge on this at all. It's just, this is like a year of abuse right here. Then they're cracked and chipped up on the edges there. So yeah, you can see that. That's just that's what happens whenever, this isn't a typical lawn mowing machine. I use it to bush hog a lot of my pasture, so that's why they look like that. All right. All right, so it's gonna go, these lifts are gonna go up. Just like that. Just go ahead and tighten it up. Now it's going to be, there's a foot-pound torque wrench value, and I don't have a torque wrench, so I'm just going to do it by hand. Good and tight. So we're going to have to use the block again, because I don't have any other way of stopping this. Tighten up that way. We'll use the block to go this way, like so. That'll work. That's good. All right. Wood. Try that again. Right there.